Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. It's all up to you. Yay. Today we are going to be doing a look with the Nubian Glow from Juvia's Place. And I actually have Juvia's Place blush on and it is Serafina. This is the beautiful color. So I thought I would do Juvias on my face. And I got this as a gift from my beautiful and wonderful friend Jeannie. And it is a beautiful box set with a palette and then 2 lip balms. I'll show you the lip balms first. And then I'll show you the gorgeous palette and we'll do some swatches. It is just a tube of lip balm, but it is lovely. And God knows I love some lip balm. And then this other package. Has another tube. And they are delightful. I don't want to test them in case I want to pass them on to someone else. I don't want to have my germs all over it. But this is the packaging for the Juvia's Glow, the Nubian Glow. And I have quite a few Juvia's palettes. And it's gorgeous packaging as always. I'm going to move all the good stuff down here. And let's take a look at what it looks like on the inside. It is spectacular, and I think it's going to make a really pretty look. And it's great for the holidays. Oh, we don't need this plastic piece, so now you can see it better. And let's do some swatches. And this is what it looks like on the hand. That is all 6, and that is a glitter. And it is beauteous. And I can't wait to see what kind of look I get to make with it. And I'm definitely going to use the glitter because I am a glitter bitch. I'm a glitter bitch. I'm a glitter bitch. And I hope that I'm getting ready for the holidays. I've got some Christmas stuff up. I'm not totally done decorating. But the little nutcracker or little toy soldier action, some little Christmas trees, just to start everybody getting in the mood. And I'm going to start in the crease. Oh, Wolfie's here with this color. It does not have a name. I'm going in real light with it because it is super pigmented. So I'm going in easy with it. And I can handle some oranges and some yellows, so I'm excited to try this bad boy out. Oh, I should probably wipe this off. It is gorgioso. So we've got the crease started. I might have to go outside this palette for like a darker color to give it more depth. But let's see what we can do with what we have. So I'm going to go with this orange. That is beautiful. For spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, For purple's mountains majesty above the fruited plains. Yes, I'm gonna have to go out of my comfort zone with this palette. I mean, this palette's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I'm going to have to get some other colors up in here. But it's gorgeous. It is super spectacularly pretty. I'm going to reach for the Natasha Denona Peak palette. Just got this in November's BoxyCharm. So I'm going to go under the brow. I'm going to go under the brow with this light color. And there's nothing wrong with helping a palette out with another palette. It's great if you can use one palette to get a whole look together. And maybe somebody else could get a whole look together. But me, I like to do certain things a certain way. And I need a little bit of help in that way. So I'm going to go into the brown here, which is a nice cocoa brown. Might need to get a darker brown. There we go. Yeah, it's much better. Let's get a blending brush. And I'm going to go back in with that orange to get that to pop more. But this is looking great. This is really beautiful. And then next we're going to put up the Natasha Denona palette, and we're going to reach in for, oh, there's such great shimmers. I'm going to go for this shimmer here. That looks just amazing. So pretty. Let's get some glitter glue on there. I like to use the NYX glitter glue. I'm just going to put a tiny little dot in the center and a tiny little dot in the center. And just pat it out. Now I'm going to go into the glitter. Oh, wow. This is totally a Nubian Glow. I forgot to do my brows, girl. Well, let me finish my eyes and then I'll do my brows. I'm going to use a Kat Von D eyeliner. looks so nice. And let's do the Pat McGrath the mascara in Dark Star. And this is just such a simple, easy look. And this mascara is everything. James, the best loaf MUA, one of my favorite people in the world, got me started on this mascara. And since then, he's recommended lots of good things for me. I feel so warm and glowy and very holiday-y. Let's do the brows with the cremated palette. And I use the color Solemnly Swear for my brows. It matches my hair with this funky gray. Perfect. And it is a lot of fun to use eyeshadow for your brows. You don't have to get fancy pencils and stuff. Sometimes in your own palette collection, you'll have everything you need for everything. And there we go. And now for my lip, let's get a little creative. I don't know what to go with such a beautiful gold look. Should I go red? I think I'm gonna go red. And this is Pioneer number 20 from Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This is a true blue red. And that is super great. It makes my skin look super pale and delightful. And this is it. This is the look with the Juvia's Place Nubian Gold, the little box set. I need to thank Jeannie again from Unfiltered 50. She's fantastic and such a great supporter of me and my channel. And my friendship to her is fantastic. I'm super excited that I was able to get this as a gift. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.